Fifth Avenue in Playa del Carmen, locally known as La Quinta, is a vibrant pedestrian street that runs parallel to the beach. This bustling area spans several kilometers through the heart of the city. It is renowned for its diverse dining and entertainment options. It perfectly blends shopping with cultural experiences. The best time to visit this popular attraction is in the late afternoon and evening when the heat of the day subsides. During the day, the lack of shade can make the sun feel intense. Whether you're searching for high-end fashion, unique accessories, or one-of-a-kind souvenirs, Fifth Avenue offers something for everyone at the top shopping destination in Playa del Carmen. Parque Los Fundadores, home to the iconic Portal Maya statue. You can't talk about Quinta Avenida without mentioning Parque Los Fundadores, located between Avenida Juárez and Paseo del Carmen. This park is the first place you should visit when you arrive in the city, literally, because the ADO bus station, which offers transportation from the airport to Playa del Carmen, makes a stop here. Parque Los Fundadores is famous for its impressive sculpture, El Portal Maya, which has become an iconic symbol of the city. During the day, the park hosts culturally significant events such as the Voladores de Papantla. In the evenings, you can also enjoy traditional Mayan dance performances. Visiting this park is one of the top things to do in Playa del Carmen. It also features a charming church, the Capilla de Nuestra Señora del Carmen. This is the only church along the famous avenue and one of the most picturesque locations in Playa del Carmen. It is situated in the heart of the tourist zone and offers stunning ocean views. What shops are at Fifth Avenue, Playa del Carmen? Playa del Carmen's Fifth Avenue offers a vibrant shopping experience with something for everyone. Unique treasures can be discovered throughout the area, from upscale malls to trendy boutiques. Here are 3 of the top shopping destinations along this main strip. Paseo del Carmen, the perfect starting point. Paseo del Carmen marks the beginning of Fifth Avenue and is one of the city's most popular destinations, holding a special place in the hearts of visitors. Some top tourist stores in this area include Zara, Bershka, Pull & Bear, and Tommy Hilfiger. Additionally, there are plenty of dining options available, whether you're in the mood for a delicious burger from Carl's Jr. or a sweet treat from Krispy Kreme. Paseo del Carmen is an ideal place to relax and enjoy a delicious ice cream at Haagen-Dazs or a good coffee at Starbucks. It also has public restrooms and is the perfect spot to unwind before boarding the ferry to Cozumel, located just 1 block down toward the beach. Calle, Corazón. Chic and luxurious. Calle Corazón is a well-known spot in the city. After its renovation, it became modern and luxurious, featuring stores like H&M, Sephora, a favorite for women, Steve Madden, and a cozy Starbucks. It also has some of the best restaurants in town, like Harry's and Elios. It includes one of the city's favorite sushi places, Sushi Roll. The area comes alive at night and is next to Calle 12, where Playa del Carmen's nightlife thrives, alongside well-known restaurants like Sonora, Prime, and Porfirios. It is also just 2 blocks away from the famous Coco Bongo. Quinta, Alegría, a place to shop, unwind, and enjoy. Quinta Alegría shopping mall in Playa del Carmen is becoming a popular spot. It's the perfect place to find shade, enjoy a coffee, and take a break from the sun. You can shop at American Eagle, Levi's, and Crocs stores. The mall also has La Europea, one of the best liquor stores in the city. Additionally, it features the Italia Racing Driving Simulator, which offers a fun Formula One experience. Recently, World Gym, an international chain, opened here, providing a fitness option. It's also an excellent spot for photos, especially with the famous love letters that many enjoy sharing on social media. Gastón Charó Gallery, Art Beyond the Ordinary. This art gallery offers fresh, updated art exhibitions for sale. It is an important cultural space for art lovers. This art gallery offers fresh, updated art exhibitions for sale. Playa del Carmen may not be known for its cultural and artistic spaces. Still, the Gastón Charó Gallery offers a unique experience right on Quinta Avenida. This gallery provides a break from the busy surroundings and takes you into a world of creativity. Located in Jardín de Marieta, between Calle 6 and Calle 8, the gallery invites everyone to explore its artistic treasures. Admission is free, and visitors are encouraged to take photos. However, one rule applies. People must take pictures of the artwork as a group, not individually. Inside, you will find beautiful art, with prices starting at just 400 pesos. For years, this gallery has quietly enhanced the charm of this tourist destination. Think twice about photos with exotic animals. Before taking a photo with a tiger or jaguar, remember that these animals have been taken from their natural habitat and subjected to painful conditions so that a few unscrupulous individuals can make a lot of money. Visitors to Fifth Avenue may encounter people offering photos with lion, jaguar, and leopard cubs. While it seems like a unique experience, it's essential to recognize the suffering these animals endure. Often drugged to stay manageable, these cubs are taken from their natural habitats and subjected to cruel conditions for tourist photos. Many have their claws and teeth removed, enduring painful procedures that leave them defenseless. Paying for these photos contributes to a cycle of abuse and mistreatment. I urge you to think twice before participating in this practice. Instead, educate and raise awareness about the realities of their exploitation. Is Fifth Avenue in Playa del Carmen safe for tourists? Safety for tourists in Playa del Carmen is well assured. In over 20 years, I have never experienced a serious incident. Most violent events are related to organized crime, not everyday citizens, despite what the news might suggest. This destination is exceptionally safe and enjoyable for tourists from around the globe. Security personnel, including dedicated tourist police and the National Guard, monitor the well-maintained area. Specialized units with trained dogs actively conduct searches for illegal substances, enhancing the overall safety of the environment. While visitors may occasionally encounter individuals attempting to sell drugs, this is a minor concern that does not detract from the area's overall safety. Tourists can explore and relish this renowned location with complete confidence alongside their loved ones. Playa del Carmen restaurants on Fifth Avenue. If you want a nice dinner, a casual meal, or a place to drink, this Playa del Carmen area has many options. La Quinta Avenida is a fantastic destination for food lovers, boasting many excellent restaurants. If you're in the mood for delicious Argentine grilled steaks, visit El Diez. For an enjoyable Italian meal, L'Italiano restaurant serves mouth-watering pasta and pizza. For a classy dining experience with premium cuts of meat, check out Sonora Prime or Harry's. If you prefer a casual setting, try Karen's, which offers a diverse menu of international dishes. Chez Céline is ideal for tasty breakfasts and desserts, while Starbucks provides quick coffee options. Head to Aldo's or Amorino for delicious gelato for a sweet treat. If you're interested in live music in a relaxed atmosphere, consider visiting Fa Bar and Restaurant. It offers a great happy hour and a fun vibe for your evening. For the best mojitos and lively Cuban music, don't miss La Bodeguita del Medio. it's a fantastic place for a night out filled with dancing. We couldn't end a section about the best restaurants without mentioning a delicious slice of blue cheese at Pizza Renzo, one of Fifth Avenue's oldest and most iconic spots. How to avoid silver scams and fake tequila offers. Jewelry and silver shops are abundant, but La Quinta Avenida has a bad reputation for selling fake silver or low-quality tequila. When buying silver jewelry, it's essential to be cautious. The market is filled with counterfeit items, so always purchase from a reputable store to avoid scams. Additionally, reading the store's reviews beforehand is a good idea to ensure its credibility. Similarly, be wary of overpriced tequila scams. A seller may offer you a sample of quality tequila to entice you to purchase. However, once you open the bottle at home, you might discover that it's not the same tequila or of the same quality as the sample you tried. If you plan to buy tequila, it's best to shop at a reputable store like La Europea in Quinta, Alegría. Not only do they offer authentic products, but their prices are often much better. What time do the shops open on Fifth Avenue, Playa del Carmen? Most businesses open between 10 a.m. and 10 p.m., but specific hours vary. The street is open to the public all day, every day. However, many businesses close at midnight, which makes the area quieter. Celebrate Frida Kahlo at 5th Avenue in Playa del Carmen. On 8th Street, just a few meters from the main avenue and leading toward the beach, you'll discover this artistic gem dedicated to the famous painter. The museum is not located on Quinta Avenida, it's just off to the side. It was previously situated on the main strip, but now a Señor Frog occupies that space. This cultural attraction, dedicated to a well-known artist, has drawn visitors for years with its exhibitions. While the works on display are not the originals, this is understandable given the proximity to the beach, which could cause damage due to humidity. Instead, you'll find high-quality reproductions that faithfully capture the essence of the originals. Every visitor leaves with a small souvenir and a sense of awe from the experience. The price is around $17.35 per adult and $46 for children. Snap a pic with the bronze statue at Hacienda Tequila. For years, the famous bronze sculpture on a bench has captured the imagination of everyone visiting this tourist destination and has become a social media celebrity. The experience wouldn't be complete without taking a photo of the famous bronze statue at Hacienda Tequila. This bench and its curious character have captured the attention of everyone who visits Fifth Avenue. Just as taking a photo at the Portal Maya has become a must, so has snapping one with the bronze statue. Many think it depicts a mariachi or a gunslinger. Still, it's a sculpture honoring Emiliano Zapata, one of the great heroes of the Mexican Revolution. Hacienda Tequila is a worthwhile stop, offering a rather extensive tequila tasting. The store is filled with souvenirs and an astonishing variety of tequilas. However, it is pretty touristy, and the prices are higher than in other liquor stores in the city. How long is 5th Street in Playa del Carmen? With a length of around 6 kilometers, Quinta Avenida is the city's main tourist corridor, boasting an endless array of shops and restaurants. The Quinta Avenida in Playa del Carmen is approximately 3 miles, 6 kilometers long. While some sources mention it ending at 42nd Street, it's a fact that it continues to extend further and further each day. The I Am Your Waiter scam on Quinta Avenida. With all its charm and splendor, Fifth Avenue could be a major tourist trap, with countless clever vendors looking for ways to take your money. The street vendors are sharp and know how to spot the unique bracelet that shows you are staying at the hotel. This recognition gives them a chance to approach you with a friendly attitude, pretending to be a server from your hotel. Be careful and alert. It's essential to avoid these traps. Many of these vendors will start a conversation claiming to work at your hotel, but their real goal is to sell you products. You should watch out for this common tactic during your stay. Avoid street ATMs on Playa del Carmen's 5th Avenue. This BBVA ATM is the safest choice on the avenue. It is secure and has cameras that stop criminals from interfering with it. You can find it in front of Quinta Alegría, near the corner of Constituyentes. Do not use ATMs on 5th Avenue. All of them have been altered to steal your information and money. Use ATMs only in department stores, banks, or places with security cameras. Organized crime has used these machines to steal money from tourists. What is the 5th Ave in Playa del Carmen? This area in Playa del Carmen, Quintana Roo, Mexico, is a busy pedestrian walkway filled with shops, restaurants, bars, and nightclubs. It is just 1 block from some of the best beaches in the Riviera Maya, making it popular with tourists and locals. Shopping here offers a mix of local culture and international styles. Many enjoy the wide variety, but some find the prices high and the selection repetitive. Visitors often complain about high prices and similar items sold in different shops. Some also say that shopkeepers can be pushy when trying to get them to enter stores, which can be frustrating. This area provides a lively experience, especially for those who like tourist spots with many shopping and dining options. However, if you prefer more authentic and less commercial experiences, you might find it overwhelming and too focused on tourists. And with that, we've reached the end of our ultimate guide to 5th Avenue. We really hope you enjoyed this tour and find it super helpful for your next visit right here in Playa del Carmen. If you liked the video and found this information valuable, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more content about this incredible destination. For an even deeper dive and all the details you need, we're sharing the complete article on our website. You'll find the link to it right in the video description below. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.